Right, in this video, this is an old video that I'm having to remake because of issues with copyright. But this is a Troy built deck. Looks like it is a 42-inch wobbly deck. And so, of course, the first things you want to check is the condition of the spindles, if there's wobble there, but also you want to check and see if your blades are bent. And I think probably on this one, both of those were going on. We had the bent blades and wobble right there. I'm checking for wobble in the actual spindle itself. These Troy belts don't have a grease cert. I will be putting a grease cert in there. Here I'm checking to see if which blade is bent, and I'll be putting it into the press to get the bend out. And here I am sharpening blades. Don't do much work on lawnmowers anymore. It was just too much time and really didn't pay much. Now I'm working at CAT, and I just really don't have enough time. And then here we are taking the spindles apart. Of course, if you have a bent blade, you might also have a bent shaft, and that's something to keep in mind. And the way I would check for that is I would put it up against a straight edge, something like a pillar or a post, and then try to turn it around, and you can sometimes see a bend that way. On these decks, it is a must to put back the belt keeper, because these aren't going to be belts that have automatic clutches or electronic clutches. It's going to be the pull tight release style PTO. So if you don't put back on all of your belt guards, your belt will have a better chance of popping off. The brakes you see in the picture are important too, because they'll keep it from spinning. They'll stop the spin after you release the belt. And there I am putting in the grease cert. I'll put in a hammer in style zert. And because you're putting in a grease cert, you want to open up one end of the cover on the bearing. Put your belts on, right? There's a lot of times I ran into situations where people put their belts on upside down and they couldn't figure out why it wasn't cutting. Gotta put the belt guard back on. And again, thanks for watching.